Are you tired of pet hair, dust, and crumbs taking over your floors? Whether you're on a budget or ready to go all in with premium automation, we've rounded up the top 5 robot vacuums of the year that can handle it all. From basic sweeping to full-on mopping and auto-emptying magic. Let's find the perfect cleaning companion for your lifestyle. Number 5. Eufy 11S Max. If you're stepping into the world of robot vacuums for the first time, the Eufy 11S Max is a fantastic place to start. Priced well under $200, this sleek little machine is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to simplify your daily cleaning routine. What makes it special? Simplicity. There's no complicated app to download or Wi-Fi setup to fuss with. Just press the button and let it go. It's designed for people who want reliable floor cleaning without any of the smart home fluff. The 11S Max glides effortlessly across hardwood and low-pile carpet, slipping under furniture where bulkier vacuums can't reach. Its ultra-slim profile lets it sneak into tight spots, hug baseboards, and clean with a quiet hum that won't disturb your Zoom call or nap. Sure, it doesn't have advanced navigation or object detection like the pricier models, and yes, you might need to do a quick sweep of shoes and cords before setting it loose. But for many, that's a fair trade-off for the price. This is a no-frills, get-the-job-done kind of vacuum. If you live in a small to medium-sized home or apartment and want to cut down on daily sweeping, the Eufy 11S Max is a budget-friendly, set-it-and-forget-it solution that delivers more than you'd expect. Number 4. Roborock Q5 Max Plus. When you're looking for a robot vacuum that offers the sweet spot between performance and price, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus stands out as a smart, capable, and well-balanced option. Designed for busy households, especially those with pets, this robot doesn't just clean, it delivers peace of mind with every pass. What makes the Q5 Max Plus shine is its thoughtful engineering. Its dual-roller brush head lifts more pet hair and debris than many higher-end models with single brushes. It navigates your home intelligently using LiDAR mapping, meaning it knows where it's going and where it's already been. You can even customize its cleaning path, label rooms, and send it to specific zones using the app's Pin and Go feature. It's like having a tiny cleaning assistant that actually listens. And while it may skip the mopping function or ultra-smart obstacle avoidance found in pricier vacuums, it makes up for it with gentle movement around furniture, reliable performance, and a self-emptying base station that requires minimal intervention. It doesn't get tangled in cords or chase your socks. Just solid, dependable vacuuming every day. If you're someone who wants a clean home without micromanaging a robot or spending a small fortune, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus offers tremendous value. It's proof that you don't have to go premium to get premium results. Number 3. Roborock Crevo. If you're ready to step up your cleaning game without diving into flagship-level prices, the Roborock Crevo offers an impressive taste of premium performance at a more accessible cost. Designed with modern homes in mind, the Crevo goes beyond basic vacuuming. It's a true multitasking powerhouse. What really sets the Crevo apart is its versatile multifunction dock. Not only does it automatically empty the dustbin and refill its water tank, but it also washes and dries the mop pads, meaning less maintenance and more peace of mind for you. It's the kind of hands-off experience that turns daily chores into a thing of the past. Its mopping system is top-notch, gliding across floors with consistent pressure and precision. And while its obstacle avoidance system may not be quite as advanced as Roborock's premium models, it still does a solid job of navigating around common household items without getting tripped up. Smart mapping features allow the Crevo to remember multiple floor plans, label specific rooms, and set no-go zones. Whether you want it to clean the kitchen after dinner or avoid the kids' play area altogether, you're always in control from the app. The Roborock Crevo is ideal for busy families or anyone who wants a cleaner home without the micromanagement. It combines powerful automation with thoughtful design, delivering a near-flagship experience without the flagship price tag. Number 2. Dream X40 Ultra. Imagine a robot vacuum so smart, it not only knows when to mop, it actually equips itself with the mop pads and gets to work. That's the kind of next-level innovation the Dream X40 Ultra brings to your home. It's not just another cleaning gadget. It's a full-service floor care system designed to eliminate the hassle from your routine. From hardwood to carpet, this machine delivers a seamless transition between surfaces, adapting its strategy without you lifting a finger. When it finishes mopping, it doesn't just stop. It heads back to its dock, self-washes its pads with heated water, and then dries them with hot air. It's like having a self-cleaning helper on standby, always ready for the next task. What truly sets the X40 Ultra apart is its ability to reach where others can't. Thanks to its extendable sidearm, it tackles stubborn debris in corners and along baseboards, areas most round robots miss. Plus, with intelligent navigation and object detection powered by AI and cameras, it gracefully glides through high-traffic homes, avoiding toys, shoes, and whatever else life throws on your floors. Yes, it's a premium device with a premium price tag, but it's also a premium experience. For those who crave an effortlessly clean home and want to spend less time prepping, scrubbing, or worrying about missed spots, the Dream X40 Ultra feels like a dream come true. If you want the smartest, most hands-off cleaning partner on the market today, this might just be the one. Number 1. Roborock Saros 10R. At the very top of the robot vacuum world sits the Roborock Saros 10R, an intelligent powerhouse that redefines what hands-free cleaning can truly look like. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a high-tech home assistant, seamlessly blending precision engineering with smart functionality to give you one of the most advanced cleaning experiences available today. Thanks to its sleek, low-profile design, the Saros 10R glides effortlessly under low furniture, reaching dust bunnies and crumbs that other vacuums would simply ignore. But what really sets it apart is its adaptive mobility. Its wheels can adjust in real time to climb thresholds and transition between surfaces without missing a beat. This flexibility means fewer missed spots and more complete coverage, no matter how complex your layout is. Its ability to recognize and navigate around objects isn't just smart, it's graceful. Whether it's toys on the floor, shoes by the door, or random household clutter, the Saros 10R doesn't bump and fumble its way through. Instead, it intelligently maneuvers around obstacles, allowing you to clean without needing to prep the space beforehand. And when it's time to mop, this robot doesn't hold back. It returns to its multi-function dock, where it washes and sanitizes its mop pads with high-temperature water, ensuring it's always ready for the next round of cleaning. It's self-sufficient, meticulous, and incredibly efficient, like a cleaning team packed into a compact, stylish unit. The Roborock Saros 10R is for those who want their home spotless without lifting a finger. If you're looking for a flagship robot vacuum that matches innovation with convenience, this is the one that truly earns its crown. No matter your needs or budget, there's a robot vacuum out there that can transform your daily cleaning routine. From the affordable Eufy 11S Max to the high-tech powerhouse Roborock Saros 10R, the future of clean is smarter than ever. Which one fits your home best? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our next top tech picks.